delegates. Welcome to Nanshan Model United Nations Conference 2022. My name is Nsmun, and I'll be serving as the chair of GA-4. While most territories hold the supreme authority of their states, some are still struggling for sovereignty. This year, we're going to look into the plight of the non-self-governing territories. Since colonization may bring both negative and positive effects on their territories, it is crucial to weigh the pros and cons based on the local situation. Delegates can take history as a mirror and come up with appropriate solutions to change the status of these areas in the international system. On behalf of the DICE members, I sincerely welcome you to join the conference and look forward to your performance.